Hey guys, let's talk about why your motion sensor is delayed. Let's say, for example, you just get into a room and it doesn't turn on the light, for example, right? I'm talking here about this Tapo sensor, the T100, but it works with any sensor that I have available. It's the same idea, right? Let me just have an example here at the Tapo. Here you see that I have different devices. So here's the sensor. And then I have a smart plug that I can just use to turn on anything that I want. In this case, I'm turning on this lamp, okay? But sometimes you just have a smart switch like this one. That's the top as well. But regardless, you can use any device with the same logic, right? Here you see that I have the app with the top of devices. And if I just come here to the switch, I can turn on and turn off the light from here. So that's the first test that I can do. And if I just move in front of the sensor, see, that works. It turns on. Let me just turn the light off again. Then let's say I move into the room and I just pass in front of the sensor and it's not working. See, it's not turning on. In this case, it's just a question of the interval. If I come here to the sensor, I can just check that the sensor is being triggered. You see here the time, 10:52. But the problem here when I come to settings is just this interval. See here that I have 60 seconds as the interval. So if I come here, I can just change this. Let me just move this down to 4 seconds. Then I save. And now it's going to work differently. Let me just come back here to the main screen. And here I see my lights, right? And my sensor. Let me just move my hand here again. And you see that triggers the light back there. It takes 1 second to trigger, right? But that's normal. And now, if I just come from here and turn it off, then I just need to count 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then when I move my hand in front of the sensor, it turns on the lamp again. So it's just a question of the interval, right? So hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can fix the problem with the delay on your smart sensor. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.